In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to share a design with your team in Canva. To do so, begin by logging into Canva and opening the design you want to share it with your team. Secondly, take a moment to review your design and ensure it meets your requirements. In the main menu bar above the editor, locate and click the Share button. From the sharing options, select Template Link. There are three sharing options. You have View Only Link, which provides a slideshow preview of the design, ideal for showcasing prototypes. 2. Share Link to Watch. Allow viewing the project as a movie without editing capabilities. And Template Link enables team members to edit the template without altering the original design. Since you're sharing the design as a template, click on this option. Canva will generate a link for the template. Copy this link and share the template link with your team members through your preferred communication channel. When the team members receive the link, you can click on it to access the template in Canva. And team members can now make their preferred changes to the template without affecting the original design. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.